Dumpster rental service in Punta Gorda, Florida. Looking for a reliable dumpster rental service in Punta Gorda, Florida? Big Dawg Dumpsters has you covered with fast, affordable, and hassle-free waste disposal solutions. Whether tackling a home renovation, clearing out clutter, or managing a large-scale construction project, our team delivers the right dumpster to meet your needs. Big Dawg Dumpsters offers a variety of dumpster sizes to handle waste from small residential cleanups to major commercial projects. Our straightforward pricing means no hidden fees, so you know exactly what to expect. With timely delivery and flexible rental periods, you can keep your project on track without delays. Once your dumpster is full, we handle the pickup and proper disposal, ensuring an eco-friendly approach to waste management. Customer service is at the heart of everything we do, making the dumpster rental process seamless from start to finish. Whether clearing out an attic, remodeling a kitchen, or managing debris from a job site, Big Dawg Dumpsters is the trusted partner for waste removal in Punta Gorda. Call 743-244-3294 today to book your dumpster and experience the convenience of professional waste management.